Tony. I don't want to stay here. I am broke now.
Tony, I don't want to stay here. Tony, زه نه غواړم چې دلته پاتې شم. stay ویل کېږي پاتې کېدل. I am broke now. ایتی مطلب دا د ملګرو چې ما سره اوس روپۍ نشته. څه دی؟ ما سره اوس هیڅ هم نشته دی مطلب دی.
I cannot do anything, Dad. You destroyed my life.
I cannot do anything there. زه هیڅ هم نشم کولی زما پلاره. You destroyed my life. تا زما ژوند تباه کړ. destroy ویل کېږي تباه کول او life ویل کېږي ژوند ته.
What are you saying, my son? I am your dad.
What are you saying, my son? دا ته څه وایې زما زویه؟ I am your dad. زه ستا پلار یم.
Judy loved me a lot. She left her home for me.
Judy loved me a lot. Judy له ما سره ډیره مینه کوله. She left هغې پرېښود her home خپل کور for me زما لپاره.
I betrayed her. I have destroyed my life.
I betrayed her. ما له هغې سره خیانت وکړ. betray ویل کېږي خیانت کول. I have destroyed my life. ما خپل ژوند تباه کړی دی.
Don't say like this, my son. I cannot see you in pain.
Don't say like this, my son. داسې مه وایه زما زویه. I cannot see you in pain. زه نشم کولی چې تا په درد کې ووینم. pain ویل کېږي درد ته.
Thanks for coming here. I miss you so much.
Thanks for coming here. د راتګ څخه مو ډیره زیاته مننه. I miss you so much. ما تاسو ډیر زیات یادولی یه.
I miss you too, my sweetie. How are you?
I miss you too, my sweetie. ما هم تاسو یادولی زما خوږې. How are you تو څنګه یې؟
I am perfectly fine. Your son is a hero. He saved my life.
I am perfectly fine. زه په مکمل ډول سره صحیح یم یعنی ښه یم. Your son is a hero. ستا زوی یو قهرمان دی. هیرو ده. هیرو ویل کېږي قهرمان ته. He saved my life. هغه زما ژوند وژغورو.
How are you doing, Peter?
How are you doing, Peter? Peter تاسو څنګه یاستئ؟
I am good. How is Rose? Is she in the hospital?
I'm good. زه ښه یم. How is Rose? Rose څنګه ده؟ Is she in the hospital? آیا هغه په هسپتال کې ده؟
No. Doctor discharged her last night. She is at her home.
No, نه. Doctor discharged her last night. ډاکټر هغه رخصته کړه last night تیره شپه. discharge ویل کېږي ملګرو رخصتول او last night ویل کېږي تیره شپې ته. She is at her home. هغه په خپل کور کې ده.
She needs to rest for a few days. She will come back after a few days.
She needs هغه ضرورت لري to rest چې آرام وکړي for a few days د یو څو ورځو لپاره. few days ویل کېږي یو څو ورځې. She will come back هغه به بیرته راشي after a few days د یو څو ورځو نه وروسته.
Oh, I see. Where does she live?
Oh, I see. او زه پوه شم. Where does she live? هغه چیرته اوسیږي؟
Peter, why are you asking? She is just a housekeeper.
Peter, why are you asking? ته ولې پوښتنې کوې؟ She is just a housekeeper. هغه یوازې یو خدمتګاره ده. د کور ساتونکې ده.
She is a good girl. I want to help her. I want to meet her.
She is a good girl. هغه یوه ښه جینۍ ده. I want to help her. زه غواړم د هغې کومک وکړم. help ویل کېږي کومک کول ته. I want to meet her. زه غواړم د هغې سره ملاقات وکړم. meet ویل کېږي ملاقات کول ته.
You don't need to give her money. She gets a good salary.
You don't need to give her money. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې هغې ته روپۍ ورکړې. She gets a good salary. هغه یوه ښه تنخوا اخلي.
Excuse me, Judy. She put her life in danger for you.
Excuse me, Judy. بخښنه غواړم جوډي. She put her life. هغې خپل ژوند واچو in danger په خطر کې for you ستا لپاره. danger ویل کېږي خطر ته.
Don't sweat it, Peter. I will give you her address. She is a good girl.
Don't swear it, Peter. پریشانه کېږه مه پیټره. I will give you her address. زه به تا ته د هغې پته درکمه. She is a good girl. هغه یوه ښه جینۍ ده.
Thank you. I will visit her today.
Thank you. مننه. I will visit her today. زه به د هغې لیدنه وکړم نن. Visit ورکېږي لیدنه کول.
Peter. You like coffee. Would you like to have a cup of coffee?
Peter, you like coffee. ته کافي خوښوې یعنې قهوه خوښوې. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? آیا ته غواړې یو کپ پیاله قهوه؟ کافي ویل کېږي قهوې ته.
No thanks. I am okay. I have had my breakfast.
No thanks. نه مننه. I'm okay. زه ښه یمه. I have had my breakfast. ما د سهار ناشته کړې ده.
What's wrong with him? Why is he doing this?
What's wrong with him? د په هغه څه شوي دي. Why is he doing this? هغه ولې داسې کوي؟
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.